Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken soup. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality items for the best taste. A whole chicken is ideal for a rich broth and tender meat. You'll also need aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions to build a flavorful base. This simple approach ensures a comforting and satisfying meal every time. Next, place your whole chicken and vegetables in a large pot, covering them with water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cooking for at least 2 hours to extract maximum flavor. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the surface. This helps create a clear, inviting broth. Incorporate your favorite herbs and spices, like bay leaves and thyme, to add wonderful depth to your soup. Once the broth is rich and flavorful, carefully remove the chicken, shred the meat from the bones, and discard the bones. Strain the broth to ensure it's perfectly smooth. Then, add fresh, diced vegetables to the strained broth and cook them until they are tender crisp. Finally, stir in your preferred noodles and the shredded chicken, simmering until everything is heated through and ready to serve. Before serving, taste your homemade chicken soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or dill adds a bright, herbaceous finish. This comforting soup is perfect for any occasion, offering warmth and nourishment. For more culinary inspiration and to explore new recipes, check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy every spoonful of your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.